Yeah. Rain and shine, the goals stay on my mind. Grind hard over beats every day, we trying. I'm on the comeback like surgery. 300 shows on the road could murder me. The time shit quicker than an F1 pilot on stage. It's a drug, wish you walk and try it. I'm a quiet riding rhyme by design. Hail, snow, always got your back door, rain and shine. Left me down, out for dead. Next time my advice ain't for the head, cause the heart's too strong. I just long that I might be stopping me in the song. Now, selling rhymes is a torture process. I'm blessed and ain't stepping off my progress. Lord, that's the rules, how to hate your paper. Smile, shaking hands, but they love to break you. Love to break you, love to break you. Sure, we're a risk of they'll assassinate you. Yes, it's the nature how they all react. However you want it, yo, I got your back. You can make it all the time, but the rain all shine. Don't you know I'm by your side? Let's do it all, do it all right. You can make it all the time, but the rain all shine. Don't you know I'm by your side? Let's do it all, do it all right. Scrape me up off this map, gotta keep it on track. It's just a setback when I get knocked down. Feel the sound vibrate through my bones, reach for the crown. Cause I can't die here, blood and tears been shed, but my head gotta persevere. It's clear we the victims of some ugly time, and I combat the beast with some nasty rhyme. And my name appears on the dotted line, and I close loopholes up before I sign. Yeah, there's sharks and there's snakes in this world of rhyme. I've been here through the breaks, yeah, it's rain and shine. Come on.